I think enterprise projects are a great way to get involved in kind of shaping the next generation of technology professionals. My name is Tawny Green. I am the Director of Finance and Human Resources for InterKnowlogy. InterKnowlogy is a custom software development company that focuses primarily on Surface, WPF, Win 7, a lot of touch technologies. We're completely Microsoft-based. We also do high-end infrastructure solutions. Enterprise projects are 10-week projects where we get a team of between 4 and 6 students to work on a project of our choosing. We give them the methodology we want them to use, and for the 10 weeks they build what we want them to build and test it and document it. We take the approach of just starting with a new technology and giving them very loose requirements and kind of letting them build what they can in the time allotted, and we've been astounded with what they've come up with.
Every day I have an opportunity to interact with the employers that work on these projects with the students. And these large companies and small companies alike just are extremely impressed with first of all, the knowledge that the students have. Another comment I hear over and over and over is how well the students communicate.
As the students go through their career here at Neumont, they gradually get to work on projects that are more and more like the real world, until in their final quarters they're doing things that are in the real world. They're actually working for real clients on real projects, and they get to see at first hand how the stuff they've learned pans out in practice.
With the project-based learning, we see a different level of student coming out of Neumont than we would a typical four-year engineering program. Their experience. They've worked in teams, they've worked with business requirements, they're used to documentation and testing. They have the full cycle experience, and you don't normally get that.
I actually get to program. I actually use languages. It's not theory, it's actual programs. I'm actually doing what developers do every day. I'm not just learning about what they do. And I've worked with companies, I've done projects, so I'll have that experience. It's like being an intern your entire time at Neumont.
We had never hired right out of college until we hired the first set of students from Neumont. They fit in probably faster than some of the other people we've hired. They've adapted to the culture very well, and they technically are very strong, so everyone that we've hired has been impressive, and we continue to be impressed with them.
And that's why Neumont focuses on preparing people to get a job and be immediately productive on that job rather than having to sit and relearn. And that's why the students get a higher salary when they graduate, because they are well prepared and the companies don't have to spend a lot of money training them.
It's very good to come out of school with a year's worth of experience and practical project experience, which is where most of their career will be spent, and that sets Neumont apart. I would absolutely recommend that companies come to Neumont. We have had great experiences with the students on our enterprise projects and the students we've hired. Not only the quality of technical skills they have, but also their business acumen and communication skills are far and above what we've experienced with other schools.